Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the Wi-Fi on your Canon M50, which I'm shooting on right now. So without further ado, let's get to it. The first step in setting up the Wi-Fi for the Canon M50 is that you put the M50 down and go straight to your phone, and you're going to download an app. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the app you're going to download is this one right there. It's called Camera Connect. You're gonna go on Camera Connect and just download it. You can find it on the App Store and the Android Play Store and all that. So it's called Camera Connect. You're gonna have to download this first. So once you have the app downloaded, you're just gonna go back to your camera and hit the menu button right here. And then from here, you're gonna go to that little tiny like wrench right here. Once you hit on the wrench, you're gonna go to wireless communications on the first page. Click on that. And this is where you're going to enable the Wi-Fi. So first thing you're going to do is set the nickname, register a nickname to identify the camera. Just hit OK. I'm just going to leave a default for demonstration purposes. Just hit OK. It's been selected, and just hit OK again. So from here, you're going to go up to Wi-Fi settings, and notice how these two ones right here, Wi-Fi function and send images to smartphone, are blacked out. You can't select them. Go to Wi-Fi settings, hit enable. From here, you're going to go to NFC, just disable these, password, none, just to make it easier for demonstration purposes. You can set that all up later on. But then now from here, you're gonna hit the menu button or press it on the screen. Now this is available to choose. So you're gonna hit Wi-Fi function. You have all these different selection here. You're gonna hit connect to smartphone and then register a device for connection. So this is where the first step is really helpful. It says install Camera Connect on smartphone, display QR code. But since you already have it downloaded, you're just gonna hit do not display. So now it's gonna say to connect device to camera using network settings below. So now you're gonna get on your phone and go to the Wi-Fi. So let's just give it a little refresh. So the EOS M50 should pop up, and you're just gonna connect to that one. Once your phone has connected to the camera, what you're going to do is go back to the app. Once you get into the app, you're going to see that the Canon M50 has popped up, and you're just going to tap it. And then on your camera, it's going to say connect to this smartphone, and then all you're going to do is just hit OK. And it's going to say connection established. It's going to have a red check mark right on here, and then you can confirm that it's connected if you see the little tiny Wi-Fi symbol on top there. Your phone is now connected to the camera, so you can hit on live view shooting, and this is pretty cool. You can see what I look like right now. Here's the phone and I'm recording it on, and then there's me and my brother. Yeah, so now that your phone is connected to your camera via Wi-Fi, there are several things that you can do. But now that you have it connected, you can view the images that you have on your camera from your phone, and you can do this live view, which I'm doing right now. And you can also set up automatic transfer of files when you take it from your camera, and it'll automatically transfer it straight to your phone. But that's for a later video, and I'll be posting that next week, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully this video helped you connect your phone to your camera. It's really cool. Once you get it working, you can do pretty cool things with it. Stay tuned till next week, where I'll teach you guys how to set up the automatic file transfer, so that when you're taking photos on your camera, it'll automatically send to your phone. So it's a really cool feature, but that'll be in next week's video. So subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified for that when that comes out. If you like what you see here, please consider subscribing. I do several videos like this. I actually have a whole playlist on the Canon M50. It's called the Canon EOS M50 guide. So if you're really interested in the M50 and you want to find out more about it, check on that playlist. It's on my channel, and I'll have it in the description below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.